Hey everyone, Barry with Lipgloss and Aftershave. I am here in Irvine, California at the headquarters of NeurotriS. You know NeurotriS, they are the #1 microcurrent device in the country. Handmade right here in this facility. It is FDA cleared and it is a licensed facility for medical devices by the state of California. We are so happy that NeurotriS invited us to come take a tour. We're going to get a behind the scenes, like Oz behind the curtain, and see how they literally hand make each one of these machines. Every time you place an order, they hand make the item for you. And I'm gonna show you the process that it goes through. First, you can say hi to Carrie. If you call NeurotriS, she's the one that answers your call. You can ask her questions, get customer service, place your orders. Anything you need, you can contact Carrie at their number on the website. But first, before we get started with the tour, we're gonna stop and say hello to Tony and Patricia. So come on, take the tour with me.
Hey everyone, Barry, it's so great to see you. I really appreciate you coming down, touring our facility, and showing everyone why and how we are the best microcurrent manufacturer in the United States. Enjoy your tour.
Hi everyone. Thank you, Barry, for coming to visit to have a tour of our facility, our National Training Center, where we train here and create all the protocols for our trainers. Enjoy behind the scenes.
Okay, you guys, third step on our tour of the NeurotriS facility. This is the brainchild room. This is the CAD room. Every single machine that you order from NeurotriS starts in this room. They literally draw to scale each of the devices on the CAD computer and then send those plans into the next room that we're going to go to, which is the production facility. So you're going to be able to see their top of the line face and body microcurrent machine being built right on the computer. You get a 3D rendered version, and then you're gonna see the actual large, big Cadillac device from NeurotriS. Okay, you guys, we are in the heart of NeurotriS. In this room, there are 3 big sections. And the first most important is directly behind me, where we do research and development. So they're constantly looking for the cutting edge of new technology in microcurrent. So you know you're getting the best because they're always looking to be the best and to improve. And then they build the circuit boards right back there. So they take those CAD drawings, bring them into this room, and literally hand lay all of the circuits. And then over on the right side here, they take final assembly and they take all of these, what they call a wire harness, and they take them from the circuit board to the switches that you guys use in every one of your NeurotriS treatments. How cool is that? Okay, so the final step in the manufacturing process is quality control. Fun fact, Tony, the owner of NeurotriS, has to check each machine before it leaves the facility. But before he gets it, the team here at NeurotriS runs extensive quality control measures on every device to ensure that it meets their standards, because they offer a lifetime warranty and want to make sure that you get a device that will never let you down. What did you guys think? Amazing, right? So cool to be able to see how these devices are made. Each one of them, from the time the order is placed and designed and manufactured, is all done by hand specifically for the person that orders it. I'm blown away by that. It's so rare that it happens like that anymore. So if you're an ingredient junkie like I am, I know you loved the way we went through and showed you each step of the manufacturing process. Right here in the United States, these FDA cleared devices are top-notch, one of the best in the country. If you want any more information on NeurotriS, you can go to neurotris.com or call them at 949 748-7488.